Hi, this is Scott. I'm with SouthBay Pontoons, and I am so excited to introduce our new CB Series 218 FCC, which is a rear fish. It has two live wells in this boat. It's only an 18-foot boat, 8.5 foot wide, 8-foot bimini top. It's got a live well in the back, plus your remote fishing chairs, and it does have another live well up front here if you want to fish out the front. It has our brand new coffee interior with the latte flooring, all brand new for 2021. I just got done showing you our brand new CB Series 218 FCC. So simply visit southbaypontoon.com.